not necessarily broke down on the side of the road, but my trailer felt funny. It was making more noise than usual. So I figured, well, let me check this thing out. Come to find out, the bolt broke off. It didn't fall out. It's still in there, but it's a good thing I caught it when it did. So I'm over here by Fort Bliss, about to pick up a load. Oh man, let me see. Okay. I was about to pick up. Sorry. I was about to pick up a load, and then I was like, let me go look around. That's what I found. So and these ones are legit. They're all there. Those ones are all there. So it's just that one over there. All right, let me go get a bolt and put this thing back together. What up? So that was Thursday. Today is Saturday. And I got that thing on there. So when I got loaded on Thursday, I went and loaded the SUV. Took the SUV to San Antonio. So I took it to San Antonio, dropped it off on Friday. And this morning I left from San Antonio. And now I'm in Tennessee, like West Memphis. I'm in West Memphis, headed to Pennsylvania. So I'm gonna run up to Pennsylvania. Got delivered. I'm gonna get there Monday, but my appointment is for Tuesday. So hopefully I get there Monday. I go in there, they'll just have them take it off, and then I think it's like a what do they call it? An electronic housing unit, whatever it is. Old school joint though, like you can see by the color, the old school camo. So I'm gonna run up to Pennsylvania, drop that off, and then pick up something else and just run back to the house, man. It's been pretty well. That's the only reason why I'm up here going to PA. If not, y'all know me, I'll be staying down there by my regular spots, my honey holes. But broker said gotta go to PA. I said, what we looking at? Told me, I said, alright, well, it's only 4,200 pounds. I was supposed to put something else with it, but it didn't end up that way. I couldn't find anything to go with it, so it was too late anyway. So I make it up on the way back. So I'll get something on the way back, but well, yeah, man. Shit, we out here at the Flying J. And look how everybody's parked over the goddamn line. Look at this shit. The trucks don't even fucking fit. But I'm parked here next to these two trucks, so tomorrow morning, like around, I'll wake up at 3, hit the road at 4, and put in a full day, man. Then I'll be 5 hours away. So Monday, all I gotta do is wake up early, drive 5 hours. Shit, I might, if they don't let me deliver, I might just get me a hotel room, hang out, man. Go get some memorabilia for my fam. I'm a big Steeler fan, man. So I'm gonna try to get some memorabilia, grab a Uber, do whatever. Go grab some stuff, see the town, you know. And then Tuesday morning, bright and early, go deliver. Find a load for Tuesday or Monday, and then I'm out, man. I'm going back to my neck of the woods. Straight shot. So I'll let y'all know what's up tomorrow. I'll make another video. Let y'all know how far I reach, what I got going on. Later. Whoa. I think I'm in Salem, Virginia. But look, that shit went bad. The brakes stopped working. Well, not stopped working, but it wasn't working that well. So I had to buy this one. So I'm gonna bolt it up right here. But I gotta get both these bolts in. The other one's right here, and the old one. So, well, anyways, I'm gonna take it out, get it put together, and then I'll check the brakes again, because I gotta have these brakes working. I can't have them messing up. So, oh shit. All right, let me get back to it. I got it done. Just gotta zip tie them wires up. Check to see if it works first. Get some fuel. It was a long day, man. A long day. Got 5 more hours tomorrow. Already booked my hotel. Get my hotel booked. Check in. Just wait for tomorrow. Wait for a Tuesday morning. Go deliver and get out of here for a tropical storm hit, because supposedly it's heading this way up north. So we're back here. We found a spot 7 o'clock. I thought I was gonna find one, but I did. By the TA. So I'm gonna go clean up, finish getting fuel, and then in the morning when I get up, I'll let y'all know what I got going on later. We are in a Flying J right outside of Youngstown, Ohio Park. Yeah. Next to the Ohio woods. So I couldn't find anything out of well, there was stuff out of Pennsylvania, but the weather was coming up from that weather was coming up from the from that tropical storm. So I went ahead and just jetted out of there, drove the 3-4 hours, made it up here. Tomorrow morning I gotta pick up a partial and an F-150. F-150 is going to Dallas. When I get to Dallas, I'll drop it, pick something else up, take everything to Cali, and once I get to Cali, man, I'm gonna find something back to the house, and that'll be it, man. I'm looking at 20 days on the road. 20 days on the road. That's a long time. 20 days on the road. I went from El Paso to San Antonio, San Antonio to Pennsylvania, Pennsylvania to Ohio. I'm gonna go from Ohio to Dallas, Dallas to Cali, and then from Cali back home to El Paso. That's a run, man. So I hit my 14,000. It's 14,800, 20 days. I guess that's okay. I guess. Yeah, but once I get to Cali, I hit that 14,800 mark, and then whatever I make from there back to El Paso. So I hit y'all up tomorrow when I pick up. Let's go. I cleaned it up a little bit, but I caught it before anything got messed up. So I'm gonna go in here and get some brake cleaner and get after it. Alright, got it cleaned up as much as I can. Repacked the bearings, cleaned it up. Man, fuck. It's like 102 degrees out here right now in Scottsdale. But always check your stuff, man. Fuck. Imagine if this shit had broken when I'm going down the highway. I mean, it did blue when I was going down the highway, but it didn't get worse. So, put it back together.